I think crisis will not be a proper word to describe the present situation. I fully agree with you that there is a shortage of coal, but there is no crisis and there is no power outage as it was envisaged. You will kindly appreciate that few days back, media was abuzz with the power crisis and all that. Nowadays, nobody is talking about that crisis because that crisis is averted. Now shortage is going to reduce to the maximum possible extent. Now the coal supply is more than what is used by the power plant. So gradually stock will improve and this shortage will reduce to a minimum extent. Let me
So,
explain you that it is, let me explain you that it is not the new phenomena this year only. Every year this type of situation arises due to short supply of coal during monsoon. You know that coal mining is a weather dependent phenomena and during monsoon coal production reduced to a very minimum, around 18%. That is why there is some short supply in the month of monsoon which is later made up during third and fourth quarter. So from now on, the stock will start building up. So there will not be any crisis as far as coal supply is concerned. But yes, I fully agree with you. There was a shortage of coal. And due to that shortage, there may be some problem here and there. You know that it is a
sure.
very big country and Coal India supplies almost 84% of the total supply of coal to the entire country. So I
And
agree
that's
that
why
there
it's
may be
important.
some problem here and there.
Sure. So
Yes.
that's why it's important to understand how has production shaped up for Coal India, because we're getting reports that production has stagnated because of multiple factors, including climate.
So let me tell you that during 1819, Coal India produced 607 million tons of coal with a jump of around 40 million tons in absolute term and a growth of around 7%. In 1920, it was 602. In 2021, it was 596. You appreciate that in 2021, there was a muted demand. That is, production was also affected. But let me tell you one thing. As on 1st of April 2021, Coal India had a pitted stock of 100 million tons, unheard of in the history of Coal India. Coal India doesn't have the capacity to maintain more than 75-80 million tons of coal. But as on 1st of April 2021, Coal India had a pitted stock of 100 million tons, more than 2 months of supply. Nowhere in the industry you will hear that somebody keeps an inventory of more than 2 months. But
Okay.
at that time, our industry didn't take the required amount of coal. That is why this much pitch-head stock was built at Coal India. Now they have
Right.
reduced that pitch-head stock to around 35 million tons and supply is going on as per requirement.